Hi guys, Hostinger now offer a website builder, something that been missing from this affordable provider for a while. Naturally, the question arises: is Hostinger website builder any good compared to other? Let's dive in with my Hostinger website builder review. Before we get started, I have left the best discounted deal in the description. Is it easy to use? Unlike most website builder with Hostinger, you are buying a hosting plan that including the builder. This is a great deal while platform like Squarespace sell plan for just one site. Hostinger builder lets you create up to 100 websites with a single affordable plan. However, this means there are no try before you buy option. You pay upfront, but there are 30-day money back guarantee, and the plan are some of the most affordable in the industry. We will talk pricing later. After setting up my account, I choose Hostinger website builder. The builder offer over 100 unique looking templates while some start to look similar. Many are modern and flashy with no premier locked option. You can use any template. The editor. Now let's look at how to build a website with Hostinger. The editor is simple and no quite different from the tool heavy editor like Wix. I appreciate the minimalistic design. Editing element is easy, just drag them from the tab. Although there are not any element to choose from there. Image for most website. I love how you can add image from free libraries on your phone quickly. A feature beginner well aesthetic is the grid system. It splits the design into squares pending of the process by eliminating the need for move element pixel by pixel. While I wish there were more animation and style setting, I am happy with what's available. Pricing. Now for the fun part, pricing. Hostinger is one of the best value providers since you are buying a hosting, not just a website builder. It's super cheap. The first plan is under $2 a month, allowing you to build one website with free SL and weekly backup, cheaper than Wix or Squarespace. The true value through lies in the premier plan. For under $3 a month, you get more storage on bandwidth limit on a free domain and up to 100 websites. That's probably the best deal out there, specifically with our discount link below. Passenger renewal rate are also consumer friendly with pricing doubling instead of skyrocketing. E-commerce. Passenger website builder is great for personal project, but how about e-commerce? While it cannot compare to Shopify, it's perfect for small business. The simplicity of the builder, it's a plus for those just wanting to sell a few items online. Managing inventory, editing product is smooth and quicker, and with only basic info required. Performance is crucial, specifically for online shop. If your site loads slowly, you will also customer Google recommended load time under 2.5 seconds. Hostinger website builder is light and fast with a load time of 1.8 seconds, better than 99% of builder I have reviewed and within a Google recommending time frame. Blogging. Hostinger shine for business side and portfolio, but not as much of blogging. You get a basic tool to create a decent blog, but it's lacks the advanced feature of platform like WordPress. Plus, you have to build each post as separate page, which can be tedious. AI tool. Hostinger web builder offer a few AI tools to help you get started. An AI logo generator, AI written and heat map feature can assist in managing your website. While not groundbreaking, these tools are helpful for beginners. Conclusion. If you are looking for a lightweight and effective website builder, Hostinger might be the answer. It's the cheapest of premier web builder on the market with above standard of performance and plenty of resources. I highly recommend giving Hostinger a try. Thanks for sticking around for this Hostinger review. If you want a more, leave a like on this video. See you all later.